Take two.
I feel like we're about to fight with instrument parts.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just like this is the thing that I holding this thing. He has those things. Those are things that are stuff's happening to.
Alright, hi guys, Richard here. I'm here with Clint from InkFoolTV.
Hey.
You've seen him on the channel before in Marvin videos and on Jugs and Hot Pants and probably on stuff way back.
Yeah. Some older stuff.
Known Clint for a very long time. So you guys know we've been practicing doing the crackle paint stuff in some of our shows here on the channel, and recently started getting all right at it, I think. So you know, we did that practice warlock, which hopefully we'll be finishing soon. But it gave Clint an idea.
Oh yeah. So anyway, hold on. So I used to have an old Platinum Series warlock back in the day for Marvin, and the neck broke. My wife, girlfriend at the time, broke it in the middle of an argument on accident, and the argument was over immediately. She said she was sorry, and my guitar was broke. But anyway, I saw his video, and I thought, man, it'd be cool to have another warlock, but what if we did a Hulkamania warlock? What if we took this, we painted in the yellow and red and just had it run wild?
But with this kind of finish.
That finish, yellow and red. We could also call it the Ronald McDonald if we wanted to. Don't matter.
Be the Marvamania.
Wow.
Oh yeah. So this is kind of the first video in this series. We're going to take this thing apart. We're going to paint it up all super crazy. And I think it's going to be pretty awesome. I'm excited about it.
And we're trading out the headstocks.
Yeah, we're going to do this one because you can put a bigger Marvamania logo on this one. And that one is going to go on our test crackle guitar.
Test one that's just right out of shot. But
Yeah,
it's
you can't
just
see
right
it.
here.
You don't get to see
If I had a mirror,
but it's the cream of the crop.
always fast.
So yeah, that's going to be fun. Anything else notable? We're going to do something to the headstock, I think. This headstock.
Oh yeah, that headstock. Oh yeah, we're going to put a Marvamania logo on it.
Yeah.
At least that's the plan.
And there's cats. But yeah, so that's basically the gist.
Yep.
And I think the next time you see this, because I'm going to take it apart off camera, I think the next time you see this thing, we're going to be getting rid of the stupid graphic. I'm sorry.
What are you talking? This super hardcore, brutal graphic?
This awesome tribal graphic that's totally... It's a stupid graphic. Eva's sneaking past in the background.
Very well done. I would have knocked everything over, Kramer style.
So that's what'll be going on. We'll be prepping for paint, I think, in the first actual work video on that.
Yep, it's going to be a lot of. It's going to be cool.
Yeah. And go check out InkFoolTV on YouTube. There'll be a link in the description.
Okay.
Bye-bye. I don't know how to end the video.
Like, share, and subscribe. Woo!